Hey guys, welcome to my channel and to my 70s themed dollhouse. In a previous video, I showed you how to make these mini blinds. Today I'm going to show you how I made these curtains that look like they're hanging from drapery rods. So first, I choose fabrics that have tiny retro prints. Then I cut out 2 pieces for each window. Each panel is a little wider than the window. Then I hemmed all 4 edges with tacky glue. Then I added pleats and let them dry. If you haven't seen my video that shows you how to make your own pleater and you'd like to watch that, then click the link that will take you to that video. For this next step, I removed the blinds from the window and they're just attached with mini wax. And I glued my pleated panels on the blinds. I just put a thin line of tacky glue across the wood trim on top and along the sides. Then I let that dry. After they were dry, I took these curtain rods by Houseworks and placed them right over my curtains. I used double-sided tape on the brackets to hold the rods in place while I adjusted the rings. I slid each ring to sit on top of a fold, and then I added a tiny dot of glue to each ring to hold it in place. Then I attached the curtains and blinds to the window again, just using mini wax. And this is the mini wax that I used. And that's it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.